NCBI PubChem is a chemical database with diverse application. PubChem serves as a comprehensive repository for chemical information, aiding researchers and scientists in assessing data on chemical structure, properties, and biological activities. It also plays a crucial role in drug discovery by providing researchers with a vast collection of chemical compounds and their biological activity, facilitating the identification of potential drug candidates. It also has significant role in toxicology studies, as PubChem support toxicology research by offering information on toxicity and safety profile of various chemicals, helping researchers and scientists to assess the potential risk associated with exposure. It also utilizes bioinformatics and system biology to integrate chemical and biological data, enabling a holistic understanding of interaction between chemicals and biological systems. And lastly, PubChem also serves as an educational resources by offering a user-friendly platform for students, educators, and general public to explore and learn about chemical structures, its properties, and biological activities for biological and chemical research.